what's up? How you all doing? The dual trading system is still mind-blowing and is still profitable, guys. But guess what? I've got good news for each and every one of you watching this video right now, because we're introducing the Forex dual trading system. All right, we're introducing that right about now. It's actually started and the reviews are quite amazing. We've back tested it and it's working perfectly. So if you're a forex trader, this is for you. So why am I making this video? I'm making this video to actually enlighten you on so many things about the dual trading system and how you can use it to your own advantage. All right, it's actually it's a no-loss strategy. Okay, it's a no-loss strategy. If you've not watched the RSI Divergence coefficient video I made previously on this channel, listen guys, you need to go and check that out. So for the crypto section, we currently give signals every day to all our subscribers. Okay, we give signals on the dual trading system, and of course we have a forum where you can discuss, just have fun while you trade with your fellow students who are actually trading on the dual trading system. It's very amazing. It's something you don't want to be left out of. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm actually going to introduce you to another strategy that you can actually still use with the RSI divergence coefficient, and it's still for the dual trading system, and it's actually very profitable. Now, before we dive into that, for those of you who are actually trading on this system already and making profit, but you have an issue with trading fees, all right? Maybe you make profit and when you close a trade, the profit is wiped off. I've got a solution for you for salvaging that. Okay, you can sign up on my link on Bitget and get the best trading fees ever. Okay, Bitget gives you 0.02% of trading fees. That's the lowest in the industry. Nobody else gives that rate right now. And guess what? It is even slashed by another 15% again, because MJ is an influencer. So Bitget. So guys, it's actually an amazing platform. Sign up on my link in the description of this video and don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to get the best rates when you trade the dual trading system with Bitget. So guys, in this video, we're going to actually be very practical and we'll talk about so many things. So watch this video to the very end and don't forget rather to actually subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and let's keep it rolling, guys. I love you all. Peace out. Let's go straight into the screen.
Back to the practicals, guys. We're going to make this very snappy, no time to waste. All right, beautiful. So this is actually price action and momentum moving at the same wavelength, but momentum moving quite ahead. All right, so to actually check the divergence, what you simply need to do is to figure out how far they are apart. Okay, and to do that, it's actually very, very easy and simple. First things first, you can change your chart right here to the line graph. You can do the same for both pairs. If you do not know how to set up your trading view like this, I'm sorry, I won't be talking about that in this video because it's actually very simple. So you can actually just figure out how diverged they are. Now, first things first, calculate the relative strength index length for the first pair against the second pair. Okay, so we'll be dividing both. We'll say 43.67 divided by 56.93. Now, the relative strength index length is the one in purple, okay, which is 43.67. You can see right here. Watch my mouse. You can see right here, right? Good. 43.67 and 56.93. Now, there's an average range you're actually going to get. If it's below or above a certain range, you are sure of an entry and an exit. I'm not going to talk about that in this video, but my paid subscribers actually have access to this badass information. All right, and it's the same information we're actually going to use for the BTC hack, which is coming up very soon. Now, that is going to be what directly correlated to BTC dominance. There's what we call the BTC dominance. I'm going to show you right now so you understand what I'm talking about. click on layout. Let's go to a single chart, and let's just change this from audio to BTC.D. Okay, you can see right here BTC dominance. Now the BTC dominance is actually a price index against a price index of BTC against altcoins. All right. In other words, it's telling you in what proportion is BTC relevant to other altcoins. When BTC dominance is high, that is telling you that a lot of money is flowing away from BTC into the altcoins. All right. So it's telling you how much BTC is dominant against the altcoins. So it's just an index showing you that, and there are a lot of information that goes on in this simple setup that you can use to trade BTC without losing a dime. All right, watch out for that video. It's coming out very soon. But if you still don't understand how the RSI divergence works for simple pair trading, which we call dual trading system, send a link through the description of this video straight to my DM, and I'm going to actually put you through. All right, cheers guys, love you all, peace out. Expect more amazing videos. I'll be doing a video for newbies and for those who want to set up their journey into futures trading. We'll be talking about leverage, margin, position size, and all of that. And we'll see you in the next video.